So we are starting with the proof to find the velocity. To find the velocity with which a vehicle with which a vehicle can negotiate a road curved, banked and rough road safely. So we have to find out the velocity with which a vehicle can negotiate a curved, banked, rough road safely. So over here, if I consider this is to be my curved road, you know, in case of banking, the outer surface is basically outer side of the road is raised by a certain height above the inner circle, such that whenever a vehicle or any vehicle is actually resting on it, there the reaction will be a oblique reaction, and since the reaction will be oblique, so the reaction will be having its components. Now children, while doing this, what you should do first, you try to draw the reaction first. So step 1 will be your drawing of the reaction. Then you know that frictional force is always perpendicular to the reaction. So this is my frictional force. So this is the reaction and this is my frictional force. And you know that frictional force is equals to mu times the reaction. So that is already we know it. Okay. So frictional force is equals to mu times the reaction. Now what I will do over here, I will just try to draw the axis. That is, one of this will be my, this is my suppose y axis or the vertical axis, and this is my suppose x axis, that is the horizontal axis. So these are the two axes. Now this is my x axis and this is my y axis. Now this is the theta. Theta is the angle of banking. Now this theta is making an angle over here. The inclined plane is making an angle with the horizontal. So this is theta. So I can easily draw this to be also theta, because this is your alternate angle. This is your reaction. So this will be also theta. That is, the reaction makes an angle theta with the vertical. Why? Because this is theta. So this is also theta, alternate angle. This is 90 degree. So this angle will be, children, 90 minus theta. So ultimately this angle will be equal to theta. So this is how this comes to be theta. So let me rub this part. Now I will resolve this particular frictional force into two components. One along the x-axis and the other along the y-axis. So if I try to resolve this along the two axes, so one of them will be like this. This will be equal to your f sine theta, and this will be your frictional force cos theta. So this is your frictional force cos theta, and this will be your frictional force sine theta. Now what you do, children, you resolve the reaction. So the reaction can be resolved. So this will be one of the component of the reaction, that is along the vertical. So this will be your r cos theta, children, and the other component will be equal to your r sine theta. So this will be the two components of the reaction. So first of all, what we have done, we have resolved this component of reaction, and we have resolved the component of this frictional force. But the two forces that are always going to be applied on this particular vehicle, one is the vertically, that is mg, and the other, that is your centrifugal force that will be directed away. So this is your mg and this is your centrifugal force. So we have drawn all the forces that should be drawn in this particular figure. Now you try to draw the free body diagram of this particular vehicle. So if I try to draw the free body diagram, it will be something like this. So what are the forces that are acting vertically? In the upward direction, there is r cos theta. In the downward direction, mg, another is your frictional force. So this will be your r cos theta. This will be your frictional force sine theta. And this will be your mg. So we can say that mg is equals to r cos theta minus frictional force sine theta. So let be this be my first equation. Now we take the horizontal forces that are acting. Let us draw that part on the body. So which are the forces? In this direction, r sine theta, frictional force cos theta, and the centrifugal force. So this will be your r sine theta. This will be your frictional force cos theta, and this is your mv square by r, that is the centrifugal force. So we can write mv square by r is equals to r sine theta plus frictional force cos theta. So this becomes my second equation. Now, what can I write? I can therefore write mv square by r is equals to, that we have already got, that is equals to r sine theta minus frictional force cos theta divided by mg, because what I have done, I have divided the equation 2 by equation 1. So equation 2 divided by equation 1. So I'll get over here r. So you can see over here that I'll get as r sine theta. And in this case, this is mv square by r and mg. So this will be r cos theta minus frictional force sine theta. Now what is frictional force, children? I have already told frictional force equals to mu times r. So just we'll write that, and m and m will get cancelled. So we'll get v square by rg. So this will be equals to r sine theta minus mu r cos theta divided by r cos theta minus mu r sine theta. So what I will do now, I will divide the numerator and denominator by r cos theta. So what shall I get? I'll get r cos theta. I'll divide the numerator and denominator by r cos theta. So what shall I get from here? See, r and r gets cancelled. Over here also, r cos theta gets cancelled. R cos theta cancels. R and R cancels. So what you are getting? Sin theta by cos theta, you are getting as tan theta plus mu divided by 1 minus mu tan theta. So children, what I will get from here? V equals to root over of Rg bracket tan theta plus mu divided by 1 minus mu tan theta. Now one thing I like to tell you over here, I think everybody is aware of the formula, that is mu equals to either tan phi, that can be angle of repose or angle of friction. So if I just put this value over here, children, you will get a very short term, that is tan theta plus tan phi divided by 1 minus tan theta tan phi. So you can say V equal to therefore root over of Rg bracket tan theta plus phi. So this is the formula for the maximum possible velocity with which a vehicle should take a turn to negotiate safely in a banked, curved and rough road.